Today I want to talk to you not only as the Attorney General, but as a father and grandfather. Children are spending more time online than ever before, especially in light of the COVID pandemic and school closings. The advancement of technology has provided us many ways to stay connected and learn remotely, including smartphones, social media, gaming platforms, live streaming, and webcams. Unfortunately, the same technology that connects us with family and friends also provides predators with a pathway back into our homes and can be used by strangers to target, groom, and sexually exploit our children. Not only does the internet make it easier for predators to reach our children, it also makes it harder to detect those predators. For example, an adult may pose as a child online to trick other children into engaging in sexual activity under false pretenses, all while invisible to the parents who may be in another room. Predators even infiltrate innocuous online spaces designed to be safe for children, and then lure children to other parts of the internet to abuse and exploit them. Our society's ability to protect our children online is also getting harder as more and more technology companies adopt end-to-end encryption that prevents them from identifying horrendous conduct and material on their own platforms. It also prevents law enforcement from obtaining, even with a court-authorized warrant, the information we need to identify and arrest those who prey on our children. In short, end-to-end encryption creates a lawless space where predators can target our most vulnerable without fear of detection. The growing trend of sexualizing children is also contributing to the risk of online exploitation and abuse. As a society, we are all harmed if we tolerate our children being displayed in a sexual manner for any reason. Everyone must do their part to keep children safe online. This is a top priority for this administration. At the Department of Justice, we can and will prosecute anyone involved in coercing, producing, live streaming, or distributing child sexual abuse material, which can include sexually explicit images of clothed children. I also call on technology platforms to do their part. We need a culture of safety that we value just as much as we value privacy and cybersecurity. Last March, Advisor Ivanka Trump and I met with the Phoenix 11, a courageous group of survivors of online child exploitation who implored technology companies not to elevate the supposed privacy interests of predators over the safety of children. At that event, the administration, in collaboration with the tech industry, also announced the voluntary principles to counter online child sexual exploitation and abuse. The voluntary principles are an important first step, but the technology industry can and must do more. Parents and caregivers also have a critical role to play. I hope you will join me in educating yourselves and your children about the dangers online, and to use the tools and resources offered by the National Center for Missing and Exploited Children. I am proud to formalize my commitment to safeguarding children online by signing NCMEC's Safety Pledge. After watching today's webinar, I encourage all of you to do the same. Thank you.